Today's video is a lot different than the one that I usually have because it's a how-to. Today I'm going to be teaching one of my friends, Mr. Doomsday. I'll post his link in bio. Go check him out, he's a really good content creator. But today this video is specifically for him. It's going to teach him, well, it's going to teach you guys if you want to make content, how to make a proper intro sequence. And now here I have a lot of templates open because I bought the VIP. Because it's actually going to help me out. Like, I'm able to remove the watermark from the intros. So we're just going to pick out a random template, like, say, Cyberpunk, up in the top corner. I'm able to download it in 1080p. Here I can just change the title to whatever I want it to be. We're just going to use an example, Hawk Squad. And here you can just go, like, do the same thing, edit your title. No, not how 50, it's how to edit. We're going to leave it like that. And you also have the ability to change the template, the design of the text. Like, I'm able to change it to basic, but then I can go back to pixels. Now, title. This is actually really cool. I didn't know you could do that. I'm discovering something. You can also add stickers, but usually those are like for outro sequences. You can add music. I'm going to use the recommended. Fade it in, fade it out. And for good quality, I suggest putting it down to 40 to 50%. See, it's light. Comes on kind of strong, but it's good. Picture is just like random stuff. Template. You can change the hue, saturation, and temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold the frame can be. Saturation is just changing the color. And the hue is also changing color, but it changes the whole template to weird colors. Trim. It's where you can like trim the clip down. But you can also make it to where the intro fades in and fades out. Like that. As you can see, the intro is going away. And now it's coming into the frame. Speed, I believe, is the speed of the actual intro. Pretty cool, I'd say. Just like that. Then, once you feel like you're ready to upload, get this exported, you're going to want to press this check mark in the top right corner. Alright, now that I have my intro ready, I can start a new project on Vlogstar. I have a combination of clips here, so I'm going to use this intro right here, and the previous clip. Now you have an option to do it in 1.1, 9.16, or 16.9. I suggest going for 16.9. Check to make sure this is the right clip, which it is. Next video. Alright. This is also the right video, so we're just going to press done here. And, I'm going to go ahead and change the watermark. Well, just remove it entirely. And, that basically does it. You also have the ability to adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, all that stuff. You can add audio. You can do different filters. You can do a whole bunch of things on this app. But for when you're ready to upload this video, well, your video, just go ahead and press this check mark in the top right corner. Now here's the fun part. You can upload your video in 60 frames per second, like so, but you can also do it in 4K. Go ahead and press export, and whilst you're waiting for your video to upload, you can do virtually anything. It doesn't really take long, but yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Goodbye.